Welcome back. Flags, coins, bottles, eatables, laser lights and 40 odd items including musical instruments will not be allowed in Lusofonia games scheduled in January next year. The guidelines are prepared by the special cell of Goa Police in association with the local organizing committee of Lusofonia games.
Spectators wanting to cheer their country's team at next year's Lusofonia games will not be able to carry flags, as they have been marked as one of the banned items on all the stadiums of the Portuguese Commonwealth Games. The list of forbidden items also includes coins, bottles, eatables, laser lights, motorbike helmet and other 40-odd items including musical instruments and electronic equipment that could interfere with electronic signal of the games at the venue. The guidelines are prepared by the special cell of Goa Police in association with local organizing committee of Lusofonia games, keeping in mind the international sports protocol and also the local conditions. The question is, will these guidelines affect the spirit of fans and viewers? Bureau Report, Prudent.
Urdu school management and teachers have denied allegations of molestation against their headmaster Sheikh Suleiman Karol by a lady teacher. Management claims that the lady teacher wants to malign image of the headmaster as she was terminated from her job. She had failed to produce documents pertaining to her qualification. However, management has no reply as to how she was allowed to work for so many years without any documents. Meanwhile, trial court has granted anticipatory bail to the accused headmaster.
Management members and teachers of the Urdu English school at Chimbal on Thursday claimed before the media that accused headmaster Sheikh Suleiman Karol has a very good character.
हमारे हेडमास्टर है वो शेख सुलेमान करोल, उनका हमारा साथ 15 साल से है। मैं यहाँ ज्वाइन हुई थी 1999। जब से लेकर आज तक मेरे इसमें करियर में अभी तक हमने ऐसा हादसा सुना भी नहीं और देखा भी नहीं उनके लिए, सर के लिए, क्योंकि हम जब भी उनके इसमें अकेले भी रहेंगे बहुत सेफ महसूस करते हैं।
School management claims the lady teacher wants to take revenge for her termination from services. The lady teacher was terminated from her job on 4th of October as she failed to produce her qualification documents. However, the management was silent on the questions as to how the teacher was teaching in the school without submitting proper documents.
4 तारीख हांगासून टर्मिनेट केले, तेजे उपरांत आमचे हांगा तेज्यानी काय आमचे लिंक ना काय ना उलोवप. सडनली कितें जालें, हे असलो तो मॉलेस्टेशन इश्यू येयला पळय, हे टोटली बेजलेस. तेका फॉर तेणे आपलो हो रिवेंज घेतला.
आज तुमचे पुलीस कंप्लेन जाला, फाल्यां तुमकां पुलीस क्वेश्चनूच विचारतली, तुमकां डॉक्युमेंट्स कितें हांगा म्हणून, तेन्ना तुमी कितें आन्सर दितले?
थिंगा आमी फॉल्टी दितले.
Management also denied that accused headmaster is absconding. They claim he is on a sick leave from 22nd October, the day when the FIR was registered.
Why?
Sick leave.
Sick leave.
But have a look at this leave application. The dates mentioned on the application leave a room for suspicion about the specified dates on the sick leave. This is a matter of investigation, whether allegation of molestation is true or false. But it is shocking to know that in a government-aided school, a teacher was working without submitting proper documents. More shockingly, the school management had released her salary from state grants without proper documentation. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
The Sensex hit the psychological mark of 21,000 on Thursday after almost 3 years. The milestone reached with Diwali less than 2 weeks away. The Sensex crossed 21,000 mark for the first time since November 5, 2010, which incidentally was Diwali. Sensex had touched 21,039 when it opened with a bang. It turned choppy as Sensex closed at 20,725.43.
However, it was on January 8, 2008 that the index crossed the 21,000 mark for the first time, hitting 21,078 in the intraday trade, but closed below 21,000 mark at 2873. Sensex had hit its highest intraday value of 21,206 on January 10, 2008. The Sensex had gained as much as 272 points on Thursday to touch 21,039.42. and the Nifty 2 hit its nearly 3 years high of 6,252. The foreign inflow have also been strong this month so far. The sharp recovery of the rupee has also added to the market sentiment. The rupee has rallied over 10% since its record low of 68.80 per dollar on August 28. In early trade, the rupee was trading at 61.52. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Seems like good political friends have turned foes. Joseph Sequeira, Punch member of Kalangut, allegedly abused Michael over a divider issue. BJP members in Kalangut and supporters of Michael held a protest rally on Thursday, condemning Joseph's abusive language for Michael.
जोसेफ सिक्वेरा हाणें मायकल लोबो गायीचो पावस घालून जे डेव्हलपमेंट तो कोत्ता ताचेर तो आड येला आनी ताका आमकां खूब दूख भोगली की तेणेन ताका गायी सोवन ताच्या डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर आड येला म्हणून.
On Wednesday, there was an issue over a divider on Baga-Kalangut route. Kalangut Panchayat had planned to construct a bus bay, but Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo opposed the construction. Sources informed that Joseph Sequeira, who was once a close friend of Michael, abused him.
Words coming from Joseph Sequeira against Michael regarding development is unacceptable. Joseph Sequeira should touch his conscience and ask whether that is true. Secondly, filthy language what he has used against Michael, that is unbecoming of a political person.
हिंगासोर जबरदस्ती केल्ली आ लोकांकडे सकाळी ह्या घरातली बायल येयली हे ओल्ड एज हाऊस कितलेच वर्साचें घर तेचे हिंगासोर कंपाउंड आहले ते पासून कट केले अशी गरजूच ना 2 मीटर्स म्हणजे होती रोड कट जाला इतल्या घेता 2 मीटर्स ते सायडीन कोणाकूच ऑब्जेक्शन ना एवरीबडी वॉज विलिंग टू गिव एंड हॅपीली वॉज गिविंग बट दीस पीपल डिड जबरदस्ती फ्रॉम दिस बिल्डिंग टू दॅट बिल्डिंग they cut 5 meters this side 5 meters that side. Whose father's property?
Reporter Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.